Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zesty sauce using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Don't forget 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. These fresh components are key to a vibrant flavor. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your fresh lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, and Dijon mustard. Next, add in the minced garlic, honey, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. With a whisk, vigorously combine all these wonderful ingredients for about 1 minute. You'll see the sauce transform into a beautifully smooth and creamy emulsion, ready for the next step. This is where you make the sauce truly yours. Take a small taste and assess the flavor profile. If you desire more tanginess, simply add a bit more fresh lemon juice. For a sweeter note, a touch more honey will do the trick. And if you enjoy a little warmth, a small dash of your favorite hot sauce can add a delightful, subtle kick. Adjust until it's perfect for you. Once your zesty sauce is perfected, it's time to think about storage and serving. Transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay wonderfully fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep. This versatile sauce is fantastic drizzled over fresh salads, grilled vegetables, or even as a vibrant marinade for chicken or fish. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.